This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
How to add a page to menu in WordPress. To add a page to the WordPress menu, what you want to do is to go to the dashboard and navigate to pages. So let's say you want to add a new page to menu, and the page will be called publications, for example. So here are some publications. And I'll click publish. Right. So this publications page is located under the main website / publications. Okay. So anyway, this is the page that you want to add to menu. So to add it to menu, navigate to appearance menus. And over here, you can check publications and click add to menu. And you can drag the publications to whichever spot in the menu you want. So I will just put it at the very end. And then I'll click save menu. So now the new page has been added to WordPress menu. So up in the top right corner, so over here, you see that the publications page has been added to menu, and when you click on it, it says here are some publications. So that is how to add a page to menu in WordPress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.